titular King Laithangbam says his first undertaking as Rajya Sabha MP will be to uplift deprived hilly inhabitants. And India records highest single-day spike of above 40,000 new Covid-19 cases and death toll of 27,497 in the last 24 hours. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Laithangbam Monika with the latest news updates. Rajya Sabha MP-elect titular King Laithangbam has said that his first undertaking as an MP will be to uplift the deprived hilly inhabitants. He was speaking to media persons on the sidelines of a cleanliness drive in the surroundings of Sri Sri Govindaji Temple today. The titular King stated that he will take oath as Rajya Sabha MP on July 22 in Manipuri language, wearing Manipuri traditional attire. High School MLA T.H. Satyabata and Ketrigao MLA and Indrajit, members and volunteers of Govindaji Temple Board, Imphal East District Police, Manipur Fire Service and others took part in the drive organized by Rashtriya Vigachandra Cultural Foundation, Manipur. Speaking to media, SP Imphal East District Jogesh Chandra Haubism urged the public to keep the surroundings neat and clean.
Sigi Angonda Mai Pangdabagi Lambi Laitabagi Ishing Pangdabagi School do Wazalite Mam Laiko. Adora Wasak Lobo Logan a Sat Pahorani. The same Nadi Sen Hagan I should like Bakti Havatare. MP or everyone is Sahi and Panamuka Kreko. Adu Pandu Nate. I told you see Aduki Salbium to Wakanda. A Kogi Labor Ministry Singagi. Karino Igi Singi Lamsing Tawayaba Kogan Sagi Award Passenger. Moy the Karilo Wayagan. I Hama I sing the Hana. Sing plus an up by Kogi remote and sings quite remote. Place I tabuk tauge na khal
Govindaji Temple Board ki volunteer sing aduga district police Imphal ki police ki team singna masida koina coordinate tawraga koina su mateng panga Govindaji ki koi bada leba complex sing asigi adagi nongju thar sida horiba napi meyam adagi amol kai leba meyam se khoi asigi social services da angam mateng panga singdok pase khoi tawjabani akoi bide taruta na thamba covid ki laina gi matam stage he na luna lana Govindaji complex se thamna na baina akoi na sigi kano se step se lakhochabani.
Ziribam District Admin Team, led by Deputy Commissioner of Ziribam District, W. Malim Nganba Chinglei, has inspected the ongoing work to set up COVID Care Center at Model School in Ziribam District's Harinagar. Speaking to media, the DC said that the COVID Care Center will start functioning without further delay. Ziribam SP M. Mubi and top officials of various departments were in the inspection team.
Yam Thurba, Manung the complete of Zeragani, SP Sahib, the engineer Singh, PWD, the MSPD Shell, PhD, Mayam Changan inspection, Togzere, Admasi is in good progress, Aduga Masiam Tuna, complete Orga, inaugurate Togana Kotana, Yam Atumatam, Tozana Torgan. Yam Thurba, Manung the complete of Zeragani,
Many buses are running across the state with the resumption of Interdistrict Bus Service by the state government to ease commutation amid the Covid-19 lockdown. Though the government has issued strict orders to maintain social distancing norms among passengers inside the bus in the wake of surging Covid-19 positive cases in the state, some buses have failed to strictly follow the order. The state-relevant departments should look into the matter at the earliest to prevent any risk of community transmission of coronavirus in the state. An exclusive report from Impact News reporter Lalpal Laithangbam and camera person El Subas.
I know you lazy Imphal Laithangbam like bus parking the Highway parking Ashida, Kogi, Marina, Bistambu Sixing, Zatkadawa, Bistambu Lamsing, Paul Sakadawa, Ninto Kong, Wangu, Gumbi, Shingba, Donton busing, Mahomasito Kami, Adu, Harry Mahosito Kami, busing a sea, Kogi, Covid19 Gilana, Piriba, social distancing in Normasi, Nana Sapana, I am a tinnery, Adu, Kogi Ninto Kong Sakadawa, Basamakata D, Harry, social distancing in Normasi, Pun to Gaiduna, Harry, Basasida, Mima Yam Nakana Pumzenduna, Sapa. Bus amasu tenari maramaduna COVID-19 lena set the sea Manipura community level the sandoki bataragadi haiba lena set the sea mi amadagi mi amada yam tuna line sandopagi pambai ashi akhoi sigumba social distancing thugaiba sina oirakatam oraga laki mari lena department singna haiba khoi passenger pu bus servicing asida akhana miang changbiduna social distancing asi tangai phadana follow tawinna ba mari no singna honabagi tangai phadawdi adung leidi camera person elsba sarma lona podum jariba Laithangbam Impact News Imphal.
A community awareness program on prevention of mosquito-borne diseases was held at Laithangbam Mayai Mamang Likai in Bishnupur district today. Many ASHA workers took part in the program held under the initiative of Bishnupur district malaria officer DMO Dr. Laithangbam Nabakishore. Resource persons enlightened the locals on strategies to prevent malaria. Mosquito nets were also disinfected at the event. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you updates on coronavirus cases. Keep watching Impact News.
Panther Group of Companies presents Panther Housing Finance Company Limited, regulated by National Housing Bank, wholly owned by Reserve Bank of India, provides subsidized home loan under PMAY-CLS Housing for All by 2022 mission. Panther Microfin deals with microfinance activities only. Panther Nidhi Limited provides loan against fixed deposit, loan against property, etc. Panther Constructions Private Limited facilities. Booking started for real estate residential projects of flats, villas or row houses, etc. For more details, kindly contact Panther Housing Finance Company Limited and its subsidiary group of companies or report to Laithangbam Likai Imphal.
Ichabu mahitam hanba haibasi mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudolni. Slopland Public School, biggest and the finest residential school, Manipur gi oina lemjuningai oiraba, mahei tampham ama oiriba, khwaidigi chunaraba mafamda semgatlaba, CBSE the affiliate toba higher secondary school oiri. Icha singbu admission tawidana mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudol oibiu, ichagi phazabalam chat sajati ahombadu ubiu, Slopland Public School Khongjom.
UNESCO School Excellence in Education Kongman Zone 3 admission open for class 11 science for 2020-21. Criteria: rank holders and for 95% scoring students, direct admission with free admission, tuition fee, books and uniforms. For 95% to 85% direct admission with free admission fees, books and uniforms. For 85% to 60% direct admission. For 55% but below 60% admission through online interaction. For more details, kindly contact 8131070337 or you can also mail us at info.unacoschool@gmail.com. Notified by Principal UNACO School.
Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. India has reported 40,425 new Covid-19 cases in the last 24 hours, rising the country's total confirmed cases to above 11 lakh. This is the highest single spike reported in the country since the outbreak of Covid-19 pandemic. There are nearly 3,59,000 active cases at present. As per the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, death toll has reached 27,497. Good news is that a total of 7,87,000 people affected with Covid-19 have recovered in the country, and with this, the recovery rate stands at 62.61%. Maharashtra still has the highest number of active cases of nearly 1,30,000. Sample testing is going on in full swing. Various laboratories in the country have tested a total of 2,56,039 tests of coronavirus samples in the last 24 hours as per the ICMR. Globally, coronavirus has infected above 1,46 lakh people and around 6 lakh people have died. Recoveries are over 87 lakh so far. The United States of America is on top with nearly 20 lakh active cases and total deaths of above 1,43,000. Brazil is at the second place with nearly 6,50,000 active cases of Covid-19. India is at the third place. There are above 11,400 active cases of Covid-19 in the northeast states, including Manipur's 676 active cases. Coronavirus has affected Assam the most among the northeast states with nearly 24,000 confirmed cases. The state reported 1,018 new cases in the last 24 hours, rising the total active cases to 7,926. Assam's Covid-19 death toll has reached 57. Tripura's total confirmed cases have reached 2,892, out of which 1,148 are active cases. Nagaland's confirmed cases have reached 1,021, out of which 576 are active cases. Arunachal Pradesh confirmed cases have reached 740, out of which 455 are active cases. There are 193 active cases in Sikkim, 117 in Mizoram and 397 in Meghalaya. All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi is starting Phase 1 and Phase 2 of human clinical trials of the indigenously developed Covid19 vaccine candidate Covaxin today. AIIMS Delhi is among the 12 sites where human trials of Covaxin will be conducted. Officials said more than 2,000 people have applied to take part in the human trials, out of which 375 volunteers were listed. AIIMS Delhi will be choosing only 100 participants for the first and second phase of the trials, with note from Drugs Controller General of India, DCGI, India's top drug regulator. Rest of the volunteers will undergo trials at a different site. Necessary coronavirus test, liver test and other health checkup will be conducted upon the volunteers. Covaxin has been developed by the Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech in collaboration with Indian Council for Medical Research and the National Institute of Virology. Maharashtra State Cabinet Minister Aslam Saik today said that he has tested positive for novel coronavirus and is asymptomatic and isolating himself. He is the Minister of Textiles, Sport, Fisheries and Guardian in the Maharashtra government. Saik also asserted that he will continue to work from home to serve the people of Maharashtra. In his Twitter post, State Textile Minister has urged those who came in close contact with him to get themselves tested. Saik is the Congress MLA from Malad West seat in Mumbai. This is the fourth such case of a minister getting infected by the novel coronavirus reported in the state. 3 other ministers have already been recovered. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Titular King Laithangbam says his first undertaking as Rajya Sabha MP will be to uplift deprived hilly inhabitants. And India records highest single-day spike of above 40,000 new Covid-19 cases and death toll of 27,497 in the last 24 hours. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Have a great Sunday afternoon and stay safe.